Alright, so I'm home alone. I'm hearing creepy sounds. And, no, I'm not really home alone. I'm at my friend Nigo's house. And he's gone. Like, he went to go run errands for his mom. So, like, I'm, like, at his house by myself. And it's really fucking scary. And I heard a noise. I heard a fucking noise. And I'm really scared to go out there and look. Like, I'm, like, kind of hesitant. But I'm gonna go out there and look anyways because I ain't no bitch. I ain't no pussy. So I'm gonna go out there and look.